Guess where I'm on my way to, guys? I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see.
A little bit of conversation, a little bit of relaxation. Across the sea, city to city, come par with me. Tell me when you're ready, ready to leave. With my cruising family, across the skies and sea. Come and par with me, yeah. What you waiting for? Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me and this cruising family? My cruising family.
It's the Norwegian Joy sailing from Pier 90 today here in New York. Earlier this summer, I had the privilege of visiting the Norwegian Joy for a ship inspection while it was docked here in New York. I haven't yet sailed aboard Joy, but there is one particular room category that I've wanted to see and try for years. It's only aboard Norwegian Joy, and that's the interior family suite. I got to see it during this visit. Get ready to see a really short video of this suite. It's really short because we had to be in and out quickly before guests arrived. We're not currently booked on Joy, but we are booked on Aqua for 2025. And after seeing this family suite tour, I want you to please comment below whether you would prefer to see us sail aboard Norwegian Joy in a family suite or Norwegian Aqua in a standard room. I'm really considering changing our booking. In the upcoming days before hopping into our next exciting cruise series, I'll be sharing a few shorts showcasing some of the other rooms aboard Norwegian Joy. Welcome to room 12527, a family suite, one of a few available only aboard the Norwegian Joy.
What you waiting for? Just step out that door and explore.